Assalamu alaikum everybody. Thank you to our honorable judge and our honorable teachers to giving me uh, the opportunity to say something in front of you. I am very glad to be standing here. Uh, anyway, I will try my level best to deliver some short speech about successful and gratefulness. There are many students in front of me. Everyone has his own dream, and many of you have a dream that to go abroad. If you can, if you can fulfill your dream, you will be successful. I also have a dream that is, I want to be a good businessman, honest businessman. If I can become a honest or good businessman, I will be successful. We know very well that a best planner over us, He is Allah. He created us and this world in a best way, and uh, He created us a best way, and He is cultivating this world by humans and His all creations. For this reason, He assigned different person to the different field and each on to the appropriate field. Like someone teacher, someone student, someone businessman, someone farmer, someone driver, etc. So I always try to respect everybody. Allah gives us Allah has given us a very good and strong position. For that, we always have to say Alhamdulillah. I praise to Allah for all of this, and never lose your hope. Be grateful, be patient, be trustful to Allah, and you will be successful inshallah. Thank you. Because my time is over.